Oh my goodness, Dogecoin is gonna viral coin, and this time in the crypto market, Dogecoin is moving up like a rocket. Again, the Dogecoin is come, my friend. Dogecoin is back, completely starting moving up. Oh my goodness, this is the start of month. First of all, remember to every crypto coin is very badly fails down in the start of month. But definitely, if you could see here this time, I can't believe, I cannot expect to they going up like a rocket. You can see here this time my plus 37.63% moving up. Definitely, this is the just last 1 hour jump. You can see here. If we check out the last 24 hour, my friend, then we understand to especially in the last 24 hour, they take a very big jump. Yes, definitely plus 26% they fail. They take a jump, my friend. So it's the big reason as that, my friends, to people starting buying. Absolutely, my friend. If people starting buying, then they're going up like a rocket. So definitely, my friend, in upcoming days they're moving up or fails down. I told you in this video what's the prediction, what's the target, do they hit easily or not. Elon Musk, my friend, especially tell us in a latest update, my friend, to they moving up. So definitely they're starting moving up. When time he said to they moving up, then absolutely they're starting moving up like a rocket. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel, press bell icon, press bell icon for videos notification. I update you every time, my friend. What's the prediction? If you can see here, my friends, this time you can see here they completely take a jump by jump. After a jump they take a jump. They cannot take a fall, my friend. But definitely this is the rules to after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. But this time you can see here this rule has gone broke, my friend, and they're destroy this rule, and they're starting only moving off like a rocket. So definitely Dogecoin, this is very big jump, my friend. So kindly hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope they make you millionaire, they give you very good profit. Dogecoin holder, please keep touch with us. I guide you every time. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.